Girl, you vegan? What y'all eat, grass? Like, how you even get your protein? That couldn't be me. I need meat. Y'all ain't got enough options. What's up, y'all? I decided to start a series on my channel to show y'all what I eat, because apparently when you tell people you're vegan, they immediately think like we just don't be eating. And they be like, what do you eat? You know, we eat good over here. You know, we eat good stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make vegan gumbo. Work with me because I'm not a cook. So, you know, if you see something that's not cook-like in here, just ignore it. What is life? Are you serious?
Tiffany,
Like what? I think I sprained my titty. After taking about 15 plus minutes to get the olive oil open, because of course I had to buy a defective one, I started to make the roux. I did use gluten-free flour to make it. You don't have to. I'm just complicated. I will put a list of ingredients and measurements in the description box because, honey, I cannot. Not in this voiceover. Nah. While we got the roux going, because we want it to be a dark brown, you know, we're going to get the crushed tomatoes going. The recipe asks for 1 can, but since I'm winging it, I was like, you know, I got tomatoes from the garden because I'm fancy. So I'm going to use some garden tomatoes, and look how juicy that mug is. And red. So I did have to turn around and use a little bit of sauce and paste from a can, but y'all, tomatoes looking real scrumptious, okay?
Hey, rich boy silly quick, folk niggas wanna check shit tight, no slick, just bought a Cadillac, put some D's on that bitch, just bought a Cadillac, put some D's on that bitch, just bought a Cadillac.
Now once you get your roux dark, like an African queen, you can go ahead and add in your vegetables one at a time. First your onions, once they get a little soft and you can smell it in the air, add in your green peppers and then your okra. And just chill in between time, you know, grab you a little drink like I did, you know what I'm saying, and chill. At this point, you want to go ahead and add in your green peppers and your okra and your seasonings. Added a little bit of garlic just because, and I went ham with the seasonings, okay? You just keep going until your ancestors say stop, and apparently my ancestors love garlic powder because I went ham, okay?
Wonder who they hating on lately, baby, this hill. Candy paint, gated skin seats, call me Dundee. Hoping you hood, I'm the one that you want.
Once you got all that sticky icky off of your okra, you can go ahead and add in your crushed tomatoes, and then your mushrooms, and then your vegetable broth. Remember, y'all, check the description box for the rest because I ain't doing all that in this voiceover. And then you just let it cook itself. God will tell you when the meal is done. Like, that's the good. I love making meals where I can multitask and do other things. Leave, go to the grocery store, go visit my mom and my dog, and then come back and it's done. At this point, I just went in with some more seasonings. I added some more pepper. I added some thyme. I added some curry powder just to experiment. You know, I'm not a professional, but my meals come out bomb. You know, because I trust my cooking intuition. You know, I learn a recipe and then I forget it and just wing it. And this is where this beautiful product came from. Because Lord knows. And then I went ahead and added some kidney beans and some chickpeas. And before the vegan community be like, oh my God, canned beans, Dakota, yes. I am a broke college student, okay? I gotta do what I gotta do. Oh, and I also added some bay leaves because I'm fancy. I did go ahead and make some brown rice on the side just to fill me up some more. You don't have to. That's the good thing about being vegan. You can eat as much as you want, okay? I also went ahead and added some parsley, and I added some salt at the very, very end because I stopped cooking with salt because I love salt, and I used to be salt heavy, okay? And then I did add some avocado on the side. Look how beautiful. Oh my good, look at that beautiful manifestation. So I added that on the side. Just, I don't know, avocados are fattening, so if you're trying to gain weight and you're a vegan, boom, there you go. There you go. That and nuts. And that's it. That is simple. It took like an hour to make this whole meal.
She a bad, bad, and she already know it. Yes, you know it. Yeah, yes, you know it. She a bad, bad, and she already know it. Yes, you know it. Yes, you know it. She gon' make me spend some money on it. Oh, 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 baby.